Hi friends, this is Sanjiv Gupta CPA. I want to invite all of you to attend my upcoming webinar happening on June 13th. The topic is very important, COVID-19 financial relief provisions, which is impacting the individual tax filers as well as business owners. We know about PPP, which is Paycheck Protection Program for business owners. We know a lot of changes are happening on PPP loan forgiveness. Recently, Senate passed the bill approved by the Congress earlier. It is going to change a lot. We know there's a covered period and alternative payroll covered period. Now there's another option of covered period versus an alternative covered period, 8 weeks versus 24 weeks. So which is better, how to use it to your advantage, 60%, 40% to 75%, 25% payroll cost and rent utilities. So all these things will be discussed in detail at the upcoming webinar. We are going to talk about, for individual tax filers, the changes with respect to economic impact payment. Everybody should have received that payment. If not, then come and join us. We'll see what rules are there so that you can apply accordingly. The money is still there. The other changes that will happen is retirement account distributions. A lot of people want to access the retirement account, are very confused how to do it, what to do it. So we're going to touch on those topics, which are important topics for individual tax filers. For business owners, like I said, we're going to cover the PP loan forgiveness. Plus, we're going to talk about the NOL benefits and hopefully some changes that might come in the way from now till June 13th. So come and join me on June 13th. Looking forward to seeing you all there. Thank you.
Now, Sanjivji, I have a quick question for you. So there are a lot of people during this time who might be moving back to India, maybe because their companies are moving operations, or maybe they're just closing down, or there might be some issues going on with H1 and whatnot. Would you be covering anything for those people?
Yes, we can cover those topics, which are important topics where people are on H1 visa stuck here and they have no jobs, or maybe they're unemployed, they are forced to go back. What will be the implications on both sides? Definitely we're going to cover those topics as well.
And another question I had for you, are there any benefits that you might be able to cover? For example, there are a lot of people who would be maybe working from India in the coming months, especially with remote working becomes more common.
Yes.
Would they be able to like maybe deduct some expenses, or how they can take advantage of that?
So people who are working remotely, definitely there are certain ways you can deduct those expenses for which are not taxable to individual tax filers, and which can be deductible by the business owners. So we can cover those things as well.
Yeah, so I think looks like in this webinar we're going to be action packed again. A lot of great information coming your way. If you have not yet registered, just fill out a quick email address and you will be all good to go. Just a day before, we'll send you an email with the link to join us, and we'll look forward to seeing you on the webinar.
Thank you.
All right.